now. Hi everybody, I'm here in space. Actually, I shouldn't really be in space, but you know, I'm gonna go to my normal background.
Social distancing.
Oh, yeah, social distancing. Well done, Joe. So yeah, I'm in space and got a bit of my t-shirt, so I'm like, yeah, kind of cool. Today is a very basic start to data handling, and Fridays stopping sessions are going to be all about data handling data, putting numbers into tables, into charts, looking at how diagrams work and stuff and stuff. And then Wednesdays will be about algebra and building our algebra skills, and then we'll just grow the two side by side. Remember that way, if you miss a Wednesday, if you come to the Friday but miss the Wednesday, you're not going to kind of feel like you're out of the loop. That's the plan. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 people in here.
Yeah, 4 people doing it.
That'd be awesome. So here we go. So I'm going to start off with what is a tally. So let me just, I knew I should have done something. I didn't get my whiteboard up. Oh, you cannot minimize. Okay, I need to get my whiteboard. I need to get a whiteboard. Notebook. There we go. This is bad. That's bad prep. So what is a tally, folks? Anybody?
Where you have some information, you like show. So like we have some information. Let's say like how many pairs of shoes people brought, and there's different numbers, and then you show it, and there's like bar charts and that.
You can show it in a pie chart.
Bar chart. It's where you do like the little tally chart.
Yeah, the gates 1, 2, 3, 4 across.
Okay, so the question was, what is a tally? We went all the way around the earth, and we finally come back to the point where the tally is the actual that gate thing, and it looks something like this. And it's basically the tally is the oldest form, one of the oldest forms of being able to count. And that's kind of so. If I was counting the amount of sheep in a field, I would count 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep, 4 sheep. And when it comes to 5, I close the gate, if you like, leave a space. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, and another 5. That's 10, and so on. Depending on which country you were taught to do this as well. Some countries do after the 5, they do a little dot. And then do this one to make sure that you know there's a gap in between.
Yeah, sometimes when I do it roughly, it looks like they're all joined up together.
Yeah, so that's why some people, they'll do it really good, and then they'll do this, but then they don't that one might be in here somewhere, and it might look a bit weird and stuff. So they kind of put a dot in between. All right. So what we're gonna do is gonna see which one of you 4 are the luckiest at the moment. So what I want you to do.
Oh no.
On your piece of paper, we're going to put, I don't know, title, maybe, I don't know, tally. Chart. And we're going to put our names down the left-hand side. So we're going to put...
do we have to do this?
Yeah, Joe, Toby, Jay, and Hayden.
Oh, I'm last.
And then we're going to put a straight line down. I'm going to go straight line.
What about you?
Me as well. Got me involved, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I'll put myself in the moment.
Oh, kind of tired.
No.
Oh shoot! I need a rubber.
And obviously, every good chart should really have some titles at the top of it, or some labels, we say. Should really have some labels. I can't. Oh, yeah, it is recording, good. So one label here might be tally. This might be name. And this one here would be frequency, which means how many times does that name appear. So have you all got your own? Take it.
It's not neat, but yeah. Actually, I got.
There we go. And I'm going to actually I best do it in front of you, so you know I'm not cheating. I should do one myself. Make one for myself.
Come on.
All done?
Yeah. It's not neat, but yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
I've done mine as well.
Mine.
Right, so what's gonna happen? I'm gonna change a new
Yeah.
player now. New share. I'm gonna go to this one. To here.
Wait, what?
Right, so we have got
Yo.
Joe. You have got Toby.
Yes, it's always
Got Jay.
looks like we're at the circus.
Got Hayden. Got BDogg. Right, I'm gonna submit this. So here we go. There
Oh
are
no,
five.
wheel unfortunate.
I'm gonna spin the wheel. Listen up. And if it comes up, you do a tally. I'm gonna spin it and keep going. I'm gonna try and go quickly. I'm gonna start off slow. I'm gonna build up the pace and see if you can keep up. That's the plan.
Oh god, it's gonna land on me, isn't it?
Oh,
Yeah.
Joe. So you put a tally where Joe is. A tally get where Joe is. I'm not gonna don't remember the name.
1.
Hey, what do we need to put in Joe's tally?
You're 1 years old.
BDogg.
BDogg.
Wait, is that in
BDogg.
Wait, is that in frequency or
BDogg.
tally?
No, you just gotta do the tally.
Okay. Go. Me.
Me. BDogg again. Jeez.
Me. If it's BDogg again, I swear.
Me.
Yes.
It's the same people. That's annoying. Me.
Oh my.
What's going on?
The flip.
No.
No. Not true.
Why?
No
You-
way.
Actually, my luck is trash.
Hey.
You keeping up? Got no Jay, no hiding yet.
Oh, come on.
Say
The
what?
streak's on. Oh, boy.
Oh my goodness. BDogg.
BDogg again.
Back in the house.
Where's Jay and Hayden?
Oh, hey, Jay, that don't exist
Come on,
Me.
Oh my God.
Come on.
Bro. I need
Hey, hey.
Hey.
one. I have one.
Jay's last person to come through. Beat up
Oh.
Jay.
BDogg. No, me and BDogg are drawing. Where's my name?
Jay's in here.
Hey.
Jay, you got one? Yeah. We'll put one down, boy.
Yes.
Whoa.
There we
I've
go.
got a gate. I've got a gate.
Oh, you got a gate? I got one.
Hayden.
Yeah.
Hayden goes, I've got one, and then he gets two.
Yeah.
That's me. That's me. That's me.
Again. Jeez.
Hayden.
Hey, me.
What's that?
That's
And again.
Hayden. Me. Yeah, you got one.
Me.
Jay.
Finally.
Me.
Jay.
Yay.
Catch it up, Jay's flying now.
Jay's flying through it.
Gimme.
Me. Yeah.
Oh.
Come on.
What?
Come on. Me again. Go on.
Oh, again.
Come on. Come on.
Okay.
boys. Go on. Look, Joe.
No. Smashing you out of this competition.
The race to 10 here. It's a race to 10.
Me.
BDogg gets the go. It's a race to 10. Who's going to win the race? Who's going to win? Who's going to win? Who's going to win? Who's going to win?
No. No. Me. I got a gate.
Don't give it, Joe. Don't.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
What the flip?
BDogg, get in.
Oh, boo.
Joe needs two. Joe needs two. Joe needs. Oh. Joe needs two to win the match. There's a fight. Joe needs two.
Me.
JJ.
Hayden.
I got one.
Oh, Hayden's got a game.
Pressure.
Joe needs two. Hayden again.
Me again.
Hayden.
Winning.
Come on. I just feel.
drawing with
Yes.
you now.
One more.
Joe needs one.
Yes.
Yay.
Yeah.
Everyone's got a gate.
Oh, feel sad for you.
Wait.
Me.
I only have a gate.
What do we mean?
Come on.
Everyone's in second place.
Two more.
Nice. Go. Yes. BDogg in there.
I'm drawing.
Come on.
People. Gimme.
Hayden again. No.
One more.
One, three.
No. Jay.
Yeah.
Jay and Toby are tied.
Oh, I only have one in
Give me that
eight.
victory.
Come on, BDogg. One more. Oh, the nerves.
Yeah.
Toby's just got Toby's on the job. Oh, there's Toby. Yes, Brandon. Oh, what a game. What a match.
There's Toby cheering and he was behind.
Wait,
Yeah, I'm like,
Toby flew the
I'm
start.
second.
Toby
I'm still
flew the
second.
start. Right now, can you count up your tallies and put your frequencies in, please? That was good fun. I enjoyed that. Did you enjoy that? Yeah, we can have another one in a bit.
Can we do it again?
So, I got the following
I am.
tallies. Now, let's see if you agree with me. I got one.
That's me.
That's Joe.
Oh.
I got that.
Yeah, I got that as well.
I got that.
Yeah.
I got that.
I only got
Oh,
6 for that,
seven.
but
Oh, I got 7 for Jay. Anyone agree with me or disagree with me?
I disagree.
I disagree. I only got 6.
6.
I only
Oh,
got 6 as well.
It's 6.
well,
It's 3v2.
it's on video anyway, so we can check it ourselves. But I'm pretty sure. Jay got 7, but I could be wrong.
I think Hayden got
I thought-
9.
Yeah,
I got 9.
did you get 9?
Yeah.
See, I got that as 8, so maybe I got those the wrong way around then. Either I don't care. 'Cause I got 10.
9.
No, you got 8.
I got 9.
So
What did you get for Hayden?
Maybe we reckon that this is the wrong way around, perhaps.
No, I think Jay and Hayden are both wrong.
You
Yeah.
reckon that Jay's got 8?
I think that
Jay's
no,
got.
Jay's got 6.
All right, so we got
Yeah.
controversy here. So
I got
controversy.
9.
Controversy.
Jay's got 6. Yeah.
Okay, I could be wrong. Could make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. So that is how a tally works. Now it's up to us really. I want to go into stem and leaf diagrams soon, but we can choose. We can have another race if you want to.
Yeah.
No.
Have another race.
Let's have another race, yeah.
Another race to 10.
Come on, let's go.
Why don't we do race to 15 this time?
A race to 15. How about we don't race to a number? How about I do 30 How
30
many total
spins.
have you done there? 10, 18, 25, 31, 40. That's 40 there. So
Do 30
how
spins.
about we just did 40 and whoever's in
Oh.
the lead after 40 wins?
Yeah, okay.
Oh,
Yeah? So now,
Yeah.
so there could be anything.
that's quite a few though.
There's 5 of us, so we. But then what if someone has like? But then it won't be fair if someone gets like 2 and someone else gets like 20.
Well, then
I think that's gonna happen.
Isn't it?
That's
The
just
internet's fault.
All down to the
Yeah, that's
Draw yourself a new tally. Draw yourself a new tally then, ready?
This one needs to
Nah,
be giant.
I've just lined it off.
This one needs to be giant though.
Not really, because we had over 40 last time.
We had 40 last time, didn't we? So.
Still.
Still.
Wow,
Thanks
that,
for that.
that, I thought you said you stopped.
Right then. I'm ready if you guys are.
Yeah, I am.
I'm going to clear this tally so I've got a fresh one ready for the
Can you see my dad in the background? I don't know what he's doing.
I think he's cleaning the windows or something.
No,
Yeah,
I
he's just
think it's singling a plane down.
I think he's painting. I'm not sure.
Okay, cool.
Right, come on, let's go.
Let's go.
He's
Come on
guiding
then.
a plane down to the
Are you
runway.
ready then?
Yeah.
Oh. Here we go.
What am I doing?
And we're off and the race starts. And the first candidate is Toby.
I'm ready.
And the
Thought that
Toby
was-
race, then we have...
Give me a second.
Is it the winner, Bina?
Yeah, you got it.
Come
on.
And
Yeah.
Jay starts off early this time. Jay starts off with a cheeky 1-1, third one away. And the problem, my dad, Joe seems to be a non-starter. I think Joe seems to be a non-starter.
Don't worry, I'll
Yeah, Jay.
come back. I'll make a comeback in a bit.
Nah, Joe.
Okay, we have Hayden again. Joe is not in the race at the moment. Joe is not in early. Oh no.
Oh,
BDogg.
We don't know if Joe's going to be in it. We are waiting for Joe. And there he is. At the gates at last, Joe has made the field. And there's the field now. Looking on, we've got Toby. Goes to 2. Toby goes to 2.
Oh no.
Final now, final. Joe, out of nowhere, ties it all up. Here we go again. Jay takes the lead. Jay's not messing around right now. Jay's not messing around. He's done. Jay again. What is going on? Oh my God.
Jay's the underdog.
Jay is the underdog. He's flying. Jay again.
Oh,
Jay gets his gate. I agree. Jay gets his gate.
Me.
No way.
No.
Those 3. This is scary.
I'm winning anyway.
Yes.
Oh, Joe. BDogg
Coming
and Toby
back.
seem to have stopped.
Oh,
BDogg and Toby seem to have
that's
stopped.
me.
Jay.
Oh,
that's Jay.
Jay's a
Lucky are you? Very lucky.
BDogg.
BDogg gets 1. Here we go.
Oh, that's me. That's
Oh,
me.
Hayden.
No, so close.
Crazy. Toby and BDogg are right at the back here. Just watching the race go by.
Oh.
Jay is
No way.
Yes.
That's
Ooh,
ridiculous.
I can't feel my tally. It's too big.
I've got 7 already.
Hayden.
Aiden.
Yeah.
I got a gate.
Where
Right,
are you,
now-
Toby?
Before we carry on, you need to count your tallies to see how many spins you've done.
I got 5.
In total, how many spins?
I'm on 20.
I think I've done 20 as well.
Nice.
Oh no. Toby's never gonna catch up.
Wait, how
Hey,
does this work
I
again?
don't know about that.
He's
mate.
averaged 1 for
22,
every
we're
10
halfway there.
spins.
Are you ready?
Wait, no, how does it work though?
So we're going to carry on now. We're going to carry on for we've done 20. We're going to do 20 more. Carrying on. I just wanted to make sure that we all got 20. So
Yeah.
Toby needs to pull
The
something
race.
out the bag here.
Wait, look.
it's
Wait,
a
look.
game of 2 halves now. Has Jay gone too soon? Will he run out of steam? Will Toby come from the rear? And will he win? Is Joe going to flop? Is BDogg going to take another
What?
flop? Is Hayden going to carry on? We don't know. And the race is up.
Oh, that's
How
gotta be
does
me.
it work?
It's Toby! Yeah, going after the half time. Toby gets in the game. I got round now. It is.
Yeah.
BDogg wins again. BDogg in the
But
mix.
like hamming spins. One spin equals what?
Oh,
Come
Joe is now in last place. Joe is now in last place.
Oh.
on. No, 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 no.
Oh
No. We're nearly drawing. Me.
Yay!
No. He says no, Toby.
Back
you
in the
can't leave me.
game.
Joe says, Toby, you can't leave me. Joe says, no,
No.
Toby, you cannot. You don't
Yeah.
oh my God, this is gate. This is ridiculous. You're not going to let this happen. Hayden's like, where are you going, Jay?
No
Hayden,
way.
where are you going, Jay?
Ah,
Jay's not
drawing
doing anything
now.
this far.
Oh.
Jay's not doing anything. Look, BDogg. BDogg.
Sorry.
Jay hasn't had anything.
He's in the lead. Oh my gosh.
No.
He's blowing raspberries. He's blowing raspberries. Jay says, don't blow raspberries at me. Jay says, don't blow raspberries at me. Who do you think you
Oh,
are?
Oh
Who do you
my.
think you are?
Me.
It's Tommy getting the game. Tommy getting the game. It's neck and neck. I went.
It's a three-way. It's a three-way tie.
Yeah, that's
I want BDogg to
No.
go. Thank you very much. Hold it there. Count them up.
Wow.
You know.
How many we got so far?
I'm on 30, I think.
I think I've got 32. Do you want to check again?
5, 10, 15, 18, 21, 21, 26.
I've got 5 for Joe.
I've got
5 for
32. I've got
Yeah.
32.
The way you should have counted it.
8 for
That's the reason why we do the tallies. Count all your
Did you do
fives and then
All the fives, yeah.
So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25,
Oh.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So we've
I've
got
got
8 more
32.
spins. 8 more spins.
Who else is above me then?
All right, 8 more spins.
Me and
I've got Joe for 5, me
You've
for
got-
5, Brendan for 5.
Yeah, don't give them.
No,
don't give them
Brendan
away.
for
Don't give
6.
that away because I want to go check it at the end, Toby. I just wanted to make sure we've all got 32. All right, we've got 8 spins to go. The
Yeah,
rest
I
of
got.
I won't fit the tallies on the
Come on.
board.
Oh no.
Here we
Might have to
go.
go on the top.
Eight
It's not
minutes to
happening,
go,
Toby.
And we're off. 8 minutes.
Oh.
It is. Toby, get you to the long side. Toby, the reason behind, but what's happening? Jay's like, sorry, Hayden, but you're not going to beat me today. It's going
No, you're
I am
not.
not coming last.
Next one here. Hayden's like, sorry, Jay, you're not going anywhere, mate. It's close.
Oh.
Close.
Oh.
Give me
BDogg.
that.
Oh, yes, BDogg.
I need one more. Stay in the game.
So how many is that now? So
Please.
4 more spins. 4 more spins.
Toby.
Spin is Jay.
You're not following me.
3 more spins.
Got a gate.
Me.
Yes.
I got 1.
2 more spins.
Come on, me.
No.
Oh,
This is at 5, 30,
Come on.
Yes, last spin. If Hayden wins this, I've got
No,
to
I
play in the
need
lead.
it.
I need
If
it.
Joe
No,
wins
come on.
this, it's
Need
a
it.
3-way tie. If
3.
3-way tie if
all,
I get it.
all Jay wants is not for Hayden to win it. Alrighty.
Yeah. Everyone,
I'm
me.
scared. Me.
It's not me. It's not me.
No.
Oh, me.
No.
Oh. Come on. 5 more spins.
Needs to be me.
Come on.
Oh dear.
Oh, dearie me.
I just did it.
No, hang on. I've got it. So we each go up 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So I've got one. Oh, I've got
Oh, I did so bad this round.
2, 3,
Come on.
5, 6.
Yeah.
I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2,
6.
3.
Yeah.
Wait.
8.
I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10.
You know, Jay got 10 quicker than you did.
Whatever. Actually, no, I didn't because it was still 40 spins. Oh no, yeah, he did. Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did. Whatever.
Mathematics.
Like it a lot.
Only got 9. Oh.
You got 7, didn't you? Yeah. Go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's really good.
Joseph.
So what I'm going to say to you there,
Oh no.
okay, Jay, well played.
Try it again. That's really fun.
Yay.
It's really fun, isn't it? Doing a tally is the
It's
most.
really fun. It just takes up loads of our time.
No, it's also the thing is though, it's not a waste of time if it's fun and you're actually learning. But I mean, when we do things in like real life and you have lots of numbers, you have like, I don't know, 20 numbers or 30 numbers, you have to put them in a tally. What we do a lot is we kind of look along the list and find all the numbers and do a tally just because we're doing it. And that's pointless. You have to do the first number you see, do a tally, then the next number, and so on and so on and so on. That's what you need to be able to do. So that's why it's important that we practice tallies correctly. So we tally as we read along the list. Now, there is another diagram that I wanted to talk about today, which is stem and leaf diagram. So we've got about 25 minutes to look at that. Now, a stem and leaf diagram, give you a funny story. I was marking some GCSE exam papers one year. And there was a stem and leaf question in the GCSE exam. And the student had not, or could not remember, or didn't know what a stem and leaf diagram was. So they drew what they thought a stem and leaf diagram was. Do you want to see what it was?
Yeah.
It was this. Eventually, they drew actual stems with leaves on them.
Really?
Really, because they hadn't a clue what they were talking about, so they thought, what they want to waste time. And that was like ridiculous. And what have you done that for? Said, I don't know what it was. I'm like, oh no. But the key thing is, the reasoning behind this diagram is why what we do is called.
Oh yeah,
diagram.
I've done this. Is it? It's stem and leaf. Is it where it goes that and then it does that and that?
Not sure. We'll see. So what I'm going to ask us to do then, I'm going to think of, I'm going to just put some random numbers on the board. So I'm going to put 24, 27, 36, 25,
26.
37, and 42. Yes, random numbers. Now basically those random numbers are like this. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to write down the last. I'm going to underline actually. So no. I'm going to I'll underline. I'm going to highlight. So what I'm going to do now, sorry, stop that please, Toby. I'm going to highlight. Toby.
Yeah.
Stop that please. Thank you. So I'm going to highlight the last digit of every number, because that last digit is what we call the leaf. But everything else we'd have is a stem. So our stem grows from the number 2 to the number 4. Do you agree? The smallest stem we have is a 2, and the largest stem we have is a 4. So our stem goes from 2 to 4. So we do this. You should just watch, because you're going to have a go at this yourself soon. And then what we do is, in order that we have the numbers, is you start putting our leaves in. So from the 2 stem, we have a 4. So from the 2 stem, we have a 4. Oops.
Oh.
From the 2 stem, we have a 4. And then from this number, from the 2 stem, we have a 7. So from the 2 stem, we have a 7. From the 3 stem, we have a 6. 3 stem, we have a 6. From the 2 stem, we have a 5. From the 2, we have a 5. From the 3, we have a 7. And from the 4, we have a 2. So
is it a coincidence that the 7s are in the same line?
It is a coincidence, yeah. Because that is what we call a raw
plant
stem and leaf diagram. Okay, it's a raw one. Because it's in the order of the raw data. What we would then do is have to reorder it. So it's an ordered stem and leaf diagram. So we have, again, we have our stem of 2, 3, and 4. Again, we have our line coming down. And again, we write our leaves in. But this time, we write 4, 5, 7 instead. We put it in order. 4, 5, and 7. 6, and 7, and then 2. So this is now an ordered stem and leaf. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. You have data like this. You decide what your stem grows in, and then number by number, you put them on the leaf. In the raw data, and then afterwards you put it in the ordered data. Does that make sense? Hayden, are you okay to help Jade with this activity? Toby, are you okay what you're going to do in a minute? You okay? Does all this make sense?
I don't get the difference between raw and ordered.
Well, have a look at them. Can you see that? Can you see there's a difference?
Apart from the top one that's got the numbers different way around though.
Well, what way around? I'll put it like I've got 4, 5, 7. That means it's in order. Whereas this one is in the where how the data is. Okay, so we're gonna do a raw one, then the other one. Okay, then good. So if you all know then what we're doing, I'm gonna give you your question to have a go at this yourself now. Hopefully you can all see that. Okay. So can you all see those numbers? So your objective now on your own without me is can you try and make all the, can you decide on the stem and then go from there. So what should you stem?
Can I have a look at the diagram?
You need to go back and make.
Yeah. So I can see it. I need to.
Split it up into like 4 groups, 3 groups.
Oh.
So I remind you again, folks, be carefully. You have your raw data in a list. You look at all the numbers, you look at the last digit, and you make sure the first digit is the stem, and you look and you say, well, my smallest stem here is 2, and my largest stem here is 4. So I'm going to have 2, 3, 4 going down, a straight line, and I'm going to start placing my numbers in based upon their leaves. And then once I've got that done, I'll do another one with it in order. That's all it is. So you've got to now do the same for this activity. Look at all the numbers, find the smallest stem, find the largest stem, write your stem out, and then put your leaves in. And you've got about 8 minutes, 9 minutes to do it. I'm going to ask you all, I'm going to mute you all now so you can concentrate.
Brendan,
Yeah.
what do you happen when there's 2 2s, so it's 82 and 82? Do you just put another 2 next to it?
I can only see. You just another 2 next to it. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
No, it's a good question.
Oh, Brendan,
Yeah.
do we have to put all the numbers in one and then like do a massive thing, or do we split it into like different groups?
No, you should have your stems going down from whatever number down like this, and then you should have each number going up, breaking off it.
I've written all the numbers. I'm writing all the numbers out, and then I'm getting the first letter or first number, and then putting them down in the column, and then do I just add them like across?
You should have. So if I just go back again to this page, there's my list of numbers. And I looked at each number and then found out which one.
So
So
is it
if
like
so
the lowest is like 50 odd, and then
yeah.
you go like 80.
So then you're going to go from 5 to 8, aren't you?
Yeah.
And then you're going to put your numbers in. Okay, concentrate and off you go. Hayden, are you okay? Hayden, are you okay? Hayden.
Are we? Should we do it ordered or unordered?
Well, you have to do it raw first and then ordered afterwards.
Okay.
Yay!
Got about 4 minutes left, and I'm going to go through it because I know some of you might got stuck.
Done.
Okay.
Ooh.
Done?
Yeah.
Good. Right, here we go. Then those that haven't done, we should be able to follow me quite simply now. All right.
Oh, now I've got all my numbers done. What do I do?
Right. So you got 5, 6, 7, and 8 as your stems. So this line determines when the leaves start. You then now just systematically, and this is the reason why you have to do it in order, because you get confused. So 56, 52, 82, 65, 76.
Hang on, can't you put commas? I
No.
put commas.
No. 82.
Oh, I failed.
Naughty.
So you didn't fail. It's just good to learn.
I'm naughty.
Naughty boy.
73. Because, and the reason why you don't have to do commas is because you know the leaf will only ever be 1 digit.
Oh, yeah.
So therefore, the comma becomes pointless. If you could have 2 notes, then yeah, okay, but it would never be anything. And then this is the reason again. Now I've just stopped and talked to Joe here. Right?
We're on 69 in the middle.
But now I've stopped to talk to Joe. I could be in a position where I don't know where I am if it's like really busy. So I can count how many numbers I've done. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 6, 8, 10. And I can count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh. See, Joe, you got me wrong there. I did 73.
You haven't done... Oh.
See. If I listen to Joe, then I did another 73. So, which is a good lesson to learn. So 3, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I've done 73. I'm on 58 now. 58, 81, 73 again, 52, 73 again, 71, 67, 59, 63. And actually, if you do it correctly, where the numbers are on top of each other, it looks like a little bar chart on the side.
Especially if you had lined paper.
Yes, but yeah, definitely. And then we need to do a ordered stem and leaf diagram.
Wow, I just finished it.
Oh, 4, 6, 7.
Close.
5, 6, 7, 8, sorry. And then now I'm going to do this, like so. And then I'm going to do my green numbers in order. So this will be 2, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. This would be 3, 3, 5, 7, and 9. This would be 1, 3, 3, 3, 6. And finally, 1, 2, and 2. And that is it. So the only thing left to do for a stem and leaf diagram is we have to also do a key to tell the people what's going on. So the question says that here are the marks scored by 8 pupils in a class test.
Where's the question?
There is no question. It's just me asking you to draw a stem and leaf diagram.
No, but you've possibly copied that. Here are the marks scored by the pupils and all the numbers. Did you crop out the question?
Possibly, but I wanted to just focus on, can you draw a stem and leaf diagram from it? So I stole the data. I stole the data. No.
That you stole me then. How did I was doing that?
Right, you ready then? So, look. Okay then. So now we need to do a key. And the key should be written like this. You pick any one of your stems that you like. Let's go for 6. You draw the line going down. You do your stem number, which is anything you like. Okay, let's go for it. It doesn't even have to be one that actually exists. So I could actually do 4 here. You know, I haven't got a 64 in here. And I'd put means, and it's 64 marks. If you don't get the key, you will lose a mark in your exam. That's simple.
Oh.
All right, so the key is the next step. Have you all understood that stem and leaf diagram? Does that kind of make sense? Are you ready for your second stem and leaf diagram?
No.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
Good.
So
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask you to be. This one's gonna be really strange, actually. I've got enough time. Yeah, I think I might have enough time.
Got 15.
I've got 12.
Oh.
nah, Brendan, we won't have enough time.
Whatever. Could do too many races. Oh, that didn't copy. Undo. Didn't copy. That's better. Right, so here now we have 2 to do. All right. So you're going to do with 2 stem and leaf diagrams, one for the boys and one for the girls. But it's going to be strange this time, folks.
1, 2.
It's not a normal stem and leaf, it's called a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram.
Yeah, because there's 1-digit numbers.
So let me show you what do we mean by back-to-back. A back-to-back looks like this.
What?
You have the stem in the center. You have, are you watching carefully, folks? Because I need you to really try to understand this. I have the lowest stem is a 0 because I've got single digit numbers. The greatest stem is 38. It's 30. So I've got 0, 1, 2, and 3.
I'm 4.
Have you got 4? Where's 4?
No, I'm joking.
Thank you. Then we have
It's
boys
38.
on the one side. I'm going to have girls on the other side. All kinds of girls, right?
Wait, there's 83.
Where?
You flip 38 backwards.
Toby, stop being silly. And then, so now we've got to have our stem, our leaves. So the first one is 17. So, and that's in the boys. So 1, 7. Yeah. The girls is 32. So 3, 2.
Okay, yeah, I
So
understand.
I go in this direction for the girls, and I go in this direction for the boys. That is a back-to-back stem and leaf. If you don't feel confident in that, do me at least one normal stem and leaf. All right. But the idea now, between now and the end of the letter, now in like sort of 8 minutes time, to have a completed, at least raw stem and leaf diagram. Any questions?
No.
You may begin.
Can I start?
You may
Okay.
begin.
No. I need some more paper.
Okay.
I'm having to get some more paper.
Cool.
I'm done.
Who said that?
Me.
So you've done a raw one and the ordered one.
I've done the back-to-back raw.
Yeah. Can you well start turning it into an ordered one then?
Oh.
Brendan,
Yeah.
you know on the ordered one, can you see mine here?
1 second, I will be able to shortly. Hold on. I need to pin you. Let me pin you. Unpin video, no. I can't pin you. There we go. So I'm gonna spotlight you. Oh, I need to stop. Let me stop my share first. I can't do it. Oh, yes, I can. Yes, I can. Oh, silly me. All right, cool. Yeah, show me now.
So you see that here?
Hmm.
Hang on, I need another bit of paper so you can see it. So see that? Does it go 2, 2, 4? And so basically, do I do it in order from left to right or right to left?
Okay, if you were a leaf on a stem, and you were getting nutrients from the stem, which direction would it go?
So it goes left to right, bigger to smaller.
It goes from the stem outwards.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Does that mean that you have the smaller numbers
Oh, she's the stem.
in the centre?
That's right. Well done. That's good description. Good description. Well done.
I'm done.
Okay, great. Just hold on. Let
Yeah,
them
same.
catch up now. Shouldn't be long. Shouldn't be long.
Throw it up, yeah.
I've taken up coding. I have.
Hayden's doing that as well.
I'm doing it on Scratch.
I do Python.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, I've got. My dad's gonna get me Raspberry Pi.
Ooh, I like Raspberry Pi.
Wish I had a Raspberry Pi.
I'm hungry now.
It's not Raspberry. It's
Not liking it.
I've done all the ones on Purple Mash, and now I'm starting to do Scratch. And my dad's trying to
I can't remember.
upload Python.
I can't remember my Scratch login.
You don't know. You can create your own Scratch. I've created my own Scratch account.
Did you create it from scratch? Sorry.
Oh, we Brendan's spicy.
Yeah, no, I didn't do it from scratch. I used my Xbox stuff. My Xbox name and password.
Boring.
Right. Okay. So here we go then.
Throw it up.
But I'm gonna be magic. Look, I'm holding this pencil is balancing from my finger. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Right, here we go. And the boys. 17, 27, 14, 33, 32, 5.
Toby's gone.
14. No, he'll be back. 6.
I'm back.
Yeah.
6 and a 6 again, and a 19 and a 29 and a 9 and a 38. Okay, and then
What
you've
is
got.
that?
What is what? Toby, come on, stop distracting people, please. We're trying to work. And then we have 32, 31, 2, 25, 23, 28, 38, 29, 37, 34, 2, 4, 25, 28. Is that what your raw one was like?
Yeah.
And then this one should just be 5. This one's in order already. 5, 6, 6, 9, 4, 4, 7, 9, 7, 9, 2, 3, 8.
Yes.
2, 4, 3, 5, 5, 8, 8, 9, 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. And with a nice key, it's somewhere. Great. Well, let's stop that. Well, that is that really. So I think what we're going to do is let's play one more round game of that spinny thing that we're doing. But here, it's going to be different now, though.
Spinny thing.
We're going to be different. We're going to play what's called Last Man Standing.
Oh no, I hate knockout. I'd get knocked out. You watch me. I'll get knocked out first.
Yeah,
so,
you're gonna.
I'm going to write down your names. Joe, Toby, Jay.
I bet Toby's gonna win.
Hayden.
I bet you I'll be first out.
No, I bet you're gonna win.
You're gonna have
BDogg's gonna be first out. You're gonna win.
I'll probably only get 3.
So this time I'm going to do a tally. Listen up, please.
You're gonna be knocked out.
Listen.
Hopefully.
Listen. I'm going to do a tally that is to show me how many lives you've lost. So as soon as you make to 3, you're wiped out.
What?
Okay, so I'm still using a tally, but
yeah.
if your name comes up, I'll mark you down. If your name comes up, they'll mark you down. If your name comes up 3 times, you're out.
So you don't want your name to come up?
You don't want your name to come up this time. So it's going to say opposite feeling.
Oh, so.
Okay, so I've got a feeling then. Jay's going to go out first. Brendan's going to win.
So let's have a look. And then
Joe's gonna win, and
are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, we have the last man knockout finals. We have in the final 5 are Joe, Toby, Jay, Hayden, and BDogg. The rules are simple. You do not want your name to appear. If your name appears, you will lose a life. You have 3 lives, and then you are out of the competition, and you have to just watch the rest. The prize is to be bragging rights of the week. Here we go.
You've got no head. Oh no, you've got a head but no body.
I know.
No.
Oh, great. BDogg gets the
told
first
you,
one.
no,
Okay,
BDogg is
great,
going
great.
out.
Okay,
Lie.
BDogg's going out. No.
Toby's joining me. Toby's joining
Oh,
me. Okay,
so
okay.
scary.
Sketchy.
No. Oh
Toby again?
Toby's.
my. Oh my.
Oh, shut up.
Oh.
Oh my.
How's that, BDogg?
Toby, come back. Brendan's nearly out. No. Oh.
Yay.
Oh, Jay.
That's still life. I just don't want to get picked myself.
Hayden.
As soon as I say
Oh,
it.
gosh, it's close. There's only Joe left with 3 lives.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it. Oh no.
Oh, Toby's gone.
Wow.
Toby is out.
Oof.
I'm not going to be
That's
long.
all I'm.
Toby's.
Oh, Toby
Oh,
again.
Toby's gone again.
We need to remove Toby's name, don't we?
Yeah.
BDogg's out.
Oh,
B-Dog's
B-Dog's out too.
BDogg's out.
Remove
B-Dog's
name.
out.
Oh.
3 people left. Oh,
Toby
Thank you, Toby. Thank you, Toby.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh,
No. No.
Hey. Why is it not Joe? I want to see Joe come 3 times now.
I want to see. I want to see.
I'm never doing maths again.
Yes, you are.
Why?
Oh,
Joe! Ow!
Oh, you're out,
Oh.
Jay. You're out.
Oh, this is close now. This is
Oh,
close.
no.
This is close. Hayden's got 2 lives left. Joe's got 3. Who's going to have it?
none of my predictions worked. Oh.
Oh.
Down to 1 life left, Hayden. Oh, no.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Finally!
Yes.
Joe got a.
Finally, Joe gets a strike.
Oh, Joe.
I can't see it happening 3 times, though.
I want
Oh.
to see.
You remove it. Remove your name.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Next one would
Hayden's going down.
Oh.
I don't like going down.
Oh. Oh.
Right. So,
one would
it's
Next
gone
one.
down to the
No.
Joe to win.
No, it's.
I don't know what to say here. This is I'm too
what?
nervous right now.
Oh my
This is
god, don't let Joe win!
Best friend, apparently.
Exactly. Apparently not.
Oh.
Oh, Joe wins! Joe wins! It was so close.
And I thought I didn't have any luck.
I knew Joe would win.
You said that, didn't you? Who did you say was going to go out first? You.
I said Hayden would go out first.
Oh.
Well,
Well,
I want second.
guys,
Oh.
hopefully,
my.
it looked like you enjoyed that lesson.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we learned something, and we had some fun. So great.
That would be mad if everyone played that. There'd be so many names on the
Imagine,
wheel.
like, remember that Wednesday when there was like 19 of us?
Yeah.
Oh.
That'd be,
All of us playing that.
that'd be easier to win because there's less chance.
Mm.
There's less than 5% chance. No, more than 5% chance that you'll win.
Yeah. All right, then. Look, awesome. Have a good day. See you Wednesday, folks.
See ya.
Yeah.
Thanks for teaching us.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Crap.